Is it fixed? Is it though? Is it? Kinda. Kinda not. Hi, it's Stu here from 3B. Now, some of you may remember that I've been having this ongoing battle with Denon to, one, admit that there's a problem with the dual output of their receivers, and two, listening to what I'm saying and stop telling me the fixes that I've tried and then going quiet. So those are the three things I find that happen with Denon quite a lot. Something that I've experienced previously with Denon is the dual output is a bit useless. To that end, if you're having to wanting to connect a TV or a projector at the same time, not viewing it at the same time because that would be crazy, but just having them both connected so you can watch one or the other, it would crap out. The only way I found around it was to use a matrix by having the one signal sent from the AVR to this matrix, which would then deal with the dual output. Also, I noted that there's quite a few of you out there that also have this problem, not only on the same Denon amp that I have, but also on all the other amps that Denon seem to do. So here we are once again, me trying just a few weeks ago to get support from Denon. I didn't get anything. I pushed and pushed and pushed. They just ignored me. And then I said to them, look, just tell me what's going on. And then finally I got a reply, a firmware update coming before the middle of the year that would likely fix that issue. Then over the weekend, I got an alert on my amp saying there was a firmware update, and sort of fingers crossed that this was the one that they were talking about. Removed the matrix, connected both devices to the outputs of the amp, and hallelujah, I really just didn't expect it to, really didn't. And then it started not to work, and then I thought, yeah, it's Denon, isn't it? It would just do the whole having trouble to find the signal thing, and then eventually it would find it and it would be fine. The way around that when I experienced that was, one, make sure the output, whether it's the TV or the projector, isn't turned on first. Make sure that's the last thing you turn on. That I found sort of fixed the majority of those issues. So turn on the amp, turn on all your devices, then turn on your TV or your projector. If that doesn't fix the whole sort of crazy static dropping loop that goes on every second, then what I found is with the projector is, if it's still having trouble trying to get that signal from the amp, turn on the TV at the same time, because the amp can send the signal at the same format to both devices. Not that you would want that, but it can. And that seems to sort of push the signal through on the other HDMI output to the projector. So overall, it has fixed the issue, and I'm really pleased about it. I'm really pleased that finally I can use that amp, and all of you can use your amps as they're meant to be used. Overall, I'm really delighted with the amps. I've always been delighted with Denon amps. They sound fantastic. It's just this issue has always been bugging me. There still is probably a little bit bugginess going on, and they'll hopefully address that over time. But overall, if you've got a Denon amp that you bought last year, or sort of any of the range over the last sort of couple of years, 2-3 years, there should be an update for you. It launched this weekend, I believe, and download it and install it, and hopefully that will fix the dual output problem that I had, that I know some of you had. So that's me for now. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It's entirely your opinion. It's fine. Don't forget to subscribe and, of course, click the bell. And I'll see you next time. Take good care.